grow fungi on bread.
Go.
We're going to grow mold on bread. For the first step of our experiment, we are going to moisten the bread using this paper towel that we put water on.
Okay. Why are you poking it?
We are going to place each piece of bread into a separate bag and then seal it.
I think that's it. We predict that
The mold will grow best in
shady and warm places. We're now going to put the 3 different pieces of bread into 3 different places for a period of 2 days. We're going to put the number 1 bread near the sun. We're going to put number 2 bread at the place where there's no sun at all.
We are going to put the number 3 bread in the freezer where it will have no sunlight and be very cold.
Sit down.
This bread was in a sunny position at approximately 27 degrees Celsius. You have observed mold for sure, right? This bread is in a dark position at about 25 degrees Celsius. We have observed what may be the beginning of mold growing. This bread was in a dark, cold place at approximately 0 degrees Celsius. Right here, we have seen no mold growing. This brown glob right here is certainly mold that has grown on number 1 bread, which was in a sunny environment at approximately 27 degrees Celsius. This brown glob right here is certainly mold that has grown on number 1 bread, which was in a sunny environment at approximately 27 degrees Celsius. This is number 2 bread, which may have what is mold starting to grow. It was in a dark environment at approximately 25 degrees Celsius. This is number 3 bread, which was stored in a dark, cold area in a freezer at approximately 0 degrees Celsius. There is no mold whatsoever. This is a picture of similar mold on bread.
Go.
The mold, we have informed that mold comes from spores traveling around in the air, and when they land on a proper surface, they will start to grow. It obtains its food by decomposing biotic organisms. Evidence under the microscope and in the bag helped us because that showed that the bread mold had many small dots that could have been spores. After the bread was sealed in a bag for a few days, some of the bread started to grow mold. Because of this, we have concluded that bread needs to be in a warm, fairly wet environment in order for it to grow.